still stand there, right?
You can still stand there. We're not gonna call you out anymore.
See, I can tell.
I love
that too there.
Hula is such a beautiful, beautiful part of the island here in Hawaii. But we're gonna do this next tune for each and every one of you that we're recording on our new record. A song that we're recording on our new record. The new record in Mauna Lua will be out hopefully by April. No, it will be. It will be out by April.
Yeah, no more hopefully, Jerry.
So I hope you guys.
We've been hoping for 8 years. So.
8 years, so a little bit more. So this is one of the songs that's going to be on that record. It's called Pua Mai Ole. We have some new songs on the record. We have some beautiful songs, but you cannot forget about the traditional beautiful songs of Hawaii. This is one of them. Check this out, baby.